Welcome back to Aside Heart. It's good to they are not coming inside studio, but as it be say, now the work on send us we do not the important. The Ogbonge visitor when don't join us inside studio. Touch your mouth as it take concern serious issues when they affect us inside the Nigeria. And the plan when it gets based on the jersey when in the wear or the jersey when in the wear now of the ANM and the position when they don't tell them to go do now say go, you'll be the candidate of this political party to be the governor of Lagos State. Inside with us, inside the studio, we get Oga Francis Adebayo. Welcome to Aside Heart.
Thank you. I'm so glad to be here.
Welcome.
Thank you. Thank you.
We get one tradition here. We dey shake hand of our visitor before we start to ask questions.
Okay.
So that when we start to ask questions, we don't go be like say we dey quarrel. But we go talk wetin Nigerians they want here.
No.
Before we go that break, we been give 4 stories where they come out smoke inside Nigeria political boxing. It get one when I go like bring out now. They say lack of quorum for our governors. Quorum now say where people they gather. When they go look say okay, where 2 or 3 are gathered in my name, I am there with you. And say the governors they won't gather. They not reach that 2 or 3 are gathered in my name. And so the thing when they supposed to discuss, when they're very, very important, as it take concern the Nigerian workers, the thing don't enter inside canal. I go like ask you, you think they will ever reach any level for this country where we say the Nigerian worker go big for the eye of people when they for government? When we say those when the government go look Nigerian worker say, this person they work for Nigeria, I respect them. Make it collect his salary, make it enjoy the salary, make it not be say that they live like I don't want to say church rats because as a child of God,
rats not the poor for church again.
Rats not the poor for church again. Rats not the poor for church again. But you think so we go ever reach the level where they go respect the Nigerian worker?
I hope so we'll go reach that level. And that's why people like us, they enter this race. People like us, we value workers for Nigeria. That's why we're entering, so that the Nigerian workers would have value for their life and value for their money. And that's why we are saying it's time for Alliance for New Nigeria to come in so that we can promote the welfare of workers, people that are working hard day and night to make this nation what it is, to make things go forward. They ought to be paid well. They ought to be paid well.
Okay, make I enter straight into the next story. And this one get to do with ASU, that is Academic Union of Universities. They don't come and talk, say, look, if federal government no raise the bar of money, we then be formally give or promises, okay, may I still hold this 20 billion. If they no raise them up to, or probably add additional 50 billion, say, they never start work. And I'm looking at the educational sector in the recent years. As a matter of fact, for some years right now, you and I go agree, say, a lot of challenges they face this particular sector.
True.
And you'll be personally say, from an outside, at least, world, where we say, you know, they involved in government, you go to some of these things, feel they pay you. What is happening to our educational sector? And as also, personally say where they also contest for, where they vow for the position of governor for a state where they are as renowned as Lagos. At least we go also there where say some state-owned universities they where state governors they handle. How you go also look and say, okay, this matter of education, make we take them beyond just what they see. At least handle them to the point where we say, yes, we go bring them much more closer to the people and ensure, say, education, they properly valued for Nigeria.
I did behind ASU Kampe. I did behind their decision. Say 50 billion or no deal. Because government must show seriousness for education. It has been worldwide, say 26% of budget should go to education.
Yes.
And that's not what we enjoy for Nigeria. So they have to stand, and this is their opportunity. You know, say election they come. If they don't stand their ground now, if election come now, election government enter, they may not look their face again. So you better say make they stand on waiting and they stand. Say 50 billion for ASU account before they go even listen to government at all. Because education are the bedrock of anything we will go achieve for this country.
Now, if we they look this matter now, ASU not agree. You understand? They don't stubborn for the matter. Federal government too, it be like say
election.
It be like say election now. Election now, no, they make them they think of
at all.
Because me and my
federal
brother
government go agree. Now they feel whole federal government.
But from November 4th, December 4th,
but
January 4th.
You see say that they shift ground small.
This ground when they shift now, e get the time when ASUU even talk say they no go attend any meeting with
federal government again.
Say like say this meeting wey federal government dey do.
Federal government beg them, make them come.
But if you dey do meeting,
before federal government, no, they beg them. They go just leave them. Waiting they happen. So but because say election done, they near.
The federal government tight corner.
Yes. So now that tight corner will also make their day, make them get waiting they want from government.
And maybe we can ask you this one now because like my brother talk about politics now.
Thank you.
President Muhammadu Buhari don't come out. They explain to Nigerians, say why he deserve another 4 years, and say why he won't go for these 4 years. I need to talk say these 4 years when he won't go. So say what he don't start when good. Based on as if they talk about, say the good thing when don't start, he won't go finish up for the next 4 years. Me, I know say when I get presidential candidate, but you not go talk for your presidential candidate, but you get party where you belong to. You agree or disagree with the things when in list say if Nigerians look this thing well, they're supposed to give them another 4 years, make it go complete in good work.
Our home party, we know the politician. We say if you see something good, we go say bad. If we say something bad, we'll call them good. President Buhari don't try, but you know reach 40%. So 40, that one,
40% no pass.
You know pass.
Hey.
You know pass. So make it go sit down. The man don't do it for 4 years. If somebody give you something for 4 years and you no get 40%, you no go get them for 8 years now. We don't say maybe 1 or 2 things, he don't try, and that's why we give him 39%. You understand? So we don't try. Say, okay, at least out of 10, he get like 2. But 2 no go do us. And we don't get another 4 years we won't waste. Maybe we wait for APC, President Buhari again. Make them try another party. One Oyibo man talk say, if you know they do the same thing, the same way, and you expect another result, he's saying a madness. So we don't try this one. Make another party where we know say they talk and say they go do them.
Okay.
Make them come on board.
Okay, talking about another party, make we also at least take them to waiting them the presidential candidate of the People's Democratic Party. Where we say this present party don't accuse them of a lot of things. Say in the last 16 years, we no see handwork when I do. When I did there, not even fit channel resources when I get into the development of Nigeria. Okay, in the come and talk, say look, say one of the major things we go do, and to make sure say in privatize them NNPC. That is the main resources where they give us money for this Obodo Nigeria. You can also further talk, say, look, saying go expand beyond just the oil sector and do it in ensure say other sectors will go feed they generate better money for the economy. Go also there. We don't see some of this talk where we say presidential candidates they give, both from the past reach now. How Nigerians go also feel look and say, okay, Black say talk soon as on the talk they come. It will not they see the green light at all, not to talk of seeing the light itself. How we go also feel look and say, okay, or probably feel to identify candidates where they very, very credible in their talk. When we say their talk, now reflection of waiting, they go also feel do. How will we take identify or spot them out?
Now to look as waiting they don't do for past.
To check their record.
Check their record. So as Atiku don't talk this thing now, now good talk. For us, now good talk.
But some people go talk say, now good talk.
Now good talk, but he go do now waiting we no fit talk. Say maybe he just talk all this one, make people just vote for him. He go get there now, he go do something else. We know. I know to trust the man. Say he go do what he say he go do.
But in a situation like this, where we say people they talk, and once they don't talk, enter power, then they agree to. How the people on their own part, knowing fully well say, now then they are the receiving end of this matter, but also if you come and say, no, enough of this, make we put an end to this. Which kind of actions or leg you expect Nigerians to carry to make sure say government in place where they in position go also feel look say no, it's about the people, make we do what
I don't talk on before for several places say now Nigerian people. Now they make our government behave the way that they behave. The thing when they say they go do, if they not do them, we supposed to come out. But we go like just they talk for social media. But social media no go do anything. If you look at Arab Spring, for example, what happened some years ago, the people who don't the government, The Egyptians, Tunisians, they come out, they say, we don't tire. They sit down for Market Square. One day, second day, third day, they sit down there. But we no go leave this place until we get what we want. Now, so Nigerian people suppose they do.
Meaning say,
If we get to power and people will not do what we say we go do, make them come out. Make they stand for Alausa, sit down there from morning till night, say, now waiting you talk say you go do me this, and you no do am.
I hope if that kind of situation come up and they
But you no go come up because we go do waiting we talk say we go do.
Okay.
now talking about the thing where we say you talk say you go do, make we come enter matter wey concern you now if you become the governor of Lagos State. But before we talk that, I'm gonna just look the party, like say we dey introduce them to Nigerians, ANN, and wetin ANN stand for. Wetin be those things wey make ANN different from other political parties? Because some Nigerians don't talk, say, if we talk about some party for this country, say some people will come up from under this thing for morning. They go enter this one when they go just dey do and they believe say all political parties are the same. All politicians get the same behavior. They get the same character. Wetin be that thing wey make ANN your party or party where you be member of different from these other political parties? And wetin be wetin people dey call ideology of ANN for Nigerian people?
If you look our name na ANN, Alliance for New Nigeria. Wetin we dey preach be say new Nigeria. So new Nigeria means a new way of thinking, new approach to governance. So for us, we don't dey call ourselves politicians. We be nation builder. So our ideology is to say to bring human face to governance. To say, oh, as we dey go there, oh, the leader no different from the follower.
Okay.
So as we enter government, now where everybody they go for hospital, now there government officials go. So when I become governor now, our ANN say, this is new Nigeria. Now general hospital, if I won't use any hospital for this Obodo Lagos, now general hospital I go.
Maybe 1 year after una don enter, abi as una dey enter.
As I dey enter now, God forbid say I get sick. But if I get sick, now general hospital.
But you
Yes, we go there like that. The people when they go there like that, they be human beings.
no vex. So may I ask you now, as you dey like this now, when before you enter, you dey go general hospital.
You don't tell where I fall sick.
So you never sick.
I never sick.
Okay, but anybody when they maybe like your family or when they related to you, you don't visit general hospital.
I don't visit with general hospital. I be pastor, so I dey go general hospital well.
Okay, so you dey use your eyes see.
I dey see wetin dey there.
And you get confidence to talk say if you enter now as governor,
there go, they go.
if the next day,
Yes.
God forbid,
We no pray,
anything happen, I see that same general
That
hospital
is
you
the
go.
way where I go no say we go solve this problem. Because if you no feel the pain, and now wetin ANN they bring with that, say look, we no go put follower for one side, put leader for another side. We are bringing compassion to governance. So if I don't go that kind of place, I don't go no say we suppose put money for here. I see how bad this thing reach. Now when the government feel it, go say, this thing no good though. And that's what waiting they bring. Say followers, leaders, we are all Nigerians. One blood no better pass another blood. And the only way to lead is to lead by example. So by the time we are leaving, general hospital go be place where people go, they go if they fall sick. In fact, by the time we are leaving, by the grace of God, even sickness
We don't come down. Now we'll start from this one now. Talking about your plan, because you be like say, you say you
It dey hot for my body.
The health follow for your plan, Abi.
Health boku for our
You
plan.
just explain them to us and tell us the things where you go use do, so that by the time when una dey go like you talk, you go turn to where sick person go won't go, because he know say he go receive better treatment.
We don't do our research for health. And I no go sit down here, they talk to you, the thing way bad. We all know waiting they bad. We all know say health sector for Lagos. They try small. But the way they try small, no fee solve the problem. For 20 years now, one government don't dey power. We still get general hospital the way it did. We still get sicknesses the way it did for Lagos. So we get our plan. Number one plan that we have is to say, we don't look at this general hospital. this general hospital, you know, they enough for the population of Lagos. So 2 things we will go do with general hospital. Number 1, we go increase the infrastructure with the general hospital. Number 2, we go build more general hospital. Then we go now do what we call, you know, say for Lagos now, we get what they call primary healthcare center. Those primary healthcare center, we go improve them in conjunction with the local government. Now, what be happen for Lagos, we say our local government structure, no, they work. Now, so why the health center be the way they be. But if the local government, they work, because we go make local government autonomous.
Okay.
Say you can operate on your own. When I become governor, I go have 2 cabinets. First cabinet is the normal cabinet, the commissioner, and all of that. The second cabinet go be, because the commission, the local government chairman, we go, they call them local government governors. So they go have their own power. And we go, they work together hand in hand to fix the primary healthcare center. Another thing we go now add to the primary healthcare center is what we call malaria center. We don't do research, say, the thing where they carry people go hospital pass, now malaria and typhoid.
Yes.
So we want to reduce the crowd where they go general hospital. So we go have hospital where we say for each of the 57 LCDAs for Lagos, so we go build, and this thing not go cost much. Now just malaria, they go to treat for there. So the crowd where they go general hospital go come down. Because if you go general hospital now, and if you see doctor in 3 hours, some people don't die. So we go do that. Another thing we go do to be say we go introduce technology. I mean, as we dey now, I enter this place now. I see say cameraman no dey here. Now technology.
Now only we get that for the full Nigeria.
Now technology be that.
Azobia Max.
So we go introduce technology for health sector. Where be say you go download app for your phone. If you want go general hospital, you go know when doctor they available, when doctor no they available. You go know say okay, make I not go now because queue day. And you go book your own queue for the app. As you book them, the doctor go no say for today, now 50 people.
9 days on board.
9 days on board.
This kind of app will work with emergency. Because emergency now what
but you know say not be every case be emergency.
Okay.
So if you go hospital, there's emergency. Even when doctor they treat somebody, if they say emergency day, you go leave the person where you go treat to attend to
so
emergency.
So this one means say for your plan, you go employ more doctors.
Yes, now go employ more doctors.
Make I quickly chip in something. Make you at least add them up to waiting you want to talk. In the course of talking, you mentioned say malaria and typhoid now like the major sicknesses where they affect us. But as a governor, we won't come in. Maybe if God help you, you win. One of the major things would also lead to some of these illnesses, now environmental issues. And then we get a World Organization, we say, they could advise, say, we need to eradicate malaria, we need to eradicate this. Say you get any plan. Because for people to come hospital say, okay, malaria, typhoid all the time. Through what other plan you get also okay. Make we also at least ensure, say, this malaria would normally affect our people. We cut them down, we reduce them. What be those plans we get to ensure say at least people know they too sick for the state?
For where we grew up, there's something they call sanitation officers. We go bring sanitation officers back. Wole, thank you. We go bring them back. Because health, they say, now wealth. Yeah. And waiting they lead to health, now clean environment. Yeah. Sometimes some sickness, no be devil. Some sickness, now just use your own hand, bring the sickness, come your body because of the environment where you live. If you go someplace for Lagos now, you go shake your head, say, human being, they live for this place. But as we come in, we go introduce sanitation officers. Where they say for every, and like I talked before, we go work hand in hand with local government. Because something they say now under local government in day. But as state government, we want improvement, we go sit down our local government chairman and say, hey, you be local government governor for your own domoto, but we go work together. So for example now, this thing waiting at the talk now part of local government job. But we go work together to know say these sanitation officers, they every LCDA for Lagos. So we go control how environment be. If you no cooperate with the governor, they will go with the government, they will go sanction you. Say, okay, oh, this environment, oh, you know, meet the standard way we want for Lagos.
Okay, make we come out for education, for health. I don't know whether education follow for inside your plan. They inside.
Make I talk, say, what's our plan B?
Okay, just talk.
Okay, make I talk. General overview, and then we'll go now, they take them one by one. We want a Lagos where we say 24 hours economy. 24 Lagos go run 24 hours. We don't come out for other countries. We don't see where you go some other countries. You no go even know say whether na night
On afternoon.
or
day,
afternoon or na day. Because anything where you want at any time, you go get them. That's the kind of Lagos we go build. Say 24 hours. And for us to have that 24 hours Lagos, 4 things must be in place. 4 things will go operate in that 24 hours. Number one, there will be transport 24 hours. So when we come government, BRT will work 24 hours. The number go differ because we know say people where they work for day, plenty people will go still they work for night. But if you come out for night, you go still see our boss for road.
But may I ask you, no, so this BRT now, Seth, if you go check how far the thing they go,
Yes.
You go see Ikorodu, come stop for CMS here.
yes.
Some they even go try, hustle reach Aja. But we don't say Lagos, they're very, very far. We get Lagos enter Ekpe, we get all those Abaronje,
Exactly.
all those Ijegun, Ijegemo,
Exactly.
all the inside of Lagos. And the BRT need to enter where road.
Exactly.
Shey Nato, just talk.
So as I dey talk, we go still reach there. If we reach transport, we go break them
I say,
down.
may I talk, may I don't forget.
If we reach transport, we go break them down. How we go ensure say other NURTW. For example, when we reach government, one of the things we will go do as far as transport is to sit down NURTW. How we want make them critical stakeholder for our government. As the day now, NURTW be like violent harm of the ruling party. Be like the, you know, they be Agbero, now them be all the talks when they use for political rally. But we go see them down, say, hey, you, for this, our new government, you get part to play. So we go introduce this 24 hours economy to them. Say, yo, we want certain buses, we go they run also for night. For example now, I don't know say if Lagos gets the number of buses where they Lagos have. Do we know them? Do we know the number of drivers who they Lagos? Now all those database where we go get, will go help us in terms of transportation for 24 hours. So it not going to be just BRT alone.
Okay.
It will be in cooperation with NURTW, with other private sectors that we go introduce for transport business for Lagos. So as I dey talk, transport go work 24 hours. Commerce, when we say malls, as we get them, we go still build more. They operate 24
before
hours.
you go into other commerce, I want to bring you back to the issue of that transportation. Looking at the population of Lagos right now, you go to say Lagos they massively increasing every day. If we look the current population, would they go into 22 to almost 25 million for Lagos? And you know how Lagos, how populated and how I don't know as how too fused up where it is. Beyond just the transport fare we just mentioned, so you get plan for other kind of transportation system where we say at least you go also further reduce the road form of transport so that we go not say yes, okay, anybody we don't want follow motor, if you follow motor, other sectors, other transportation sectors go there where we say go also fit further reduce the road, that particular road people don't they congest.
We get plenty plan, plenty plan. Make at the Yanam one by one.
Okay.
For Lagos, we get water. We know they use water for transportation for Lagos. I know
they call it city of aquatic spring.
Can you imagine that? We know they use them. Lagos is 3 feet below sea level. Now, almost the same thing for Venice, where they Italy. So 2 things where we go do as far, 3 things where we go do as far as water is concerned. Number 1, we go buy, of course, dredge our waterways. So we go buy more ferry where people go they take. For example, from Ikorodu, if you take ferry, park your car for the station there. Take ferry, go VI. Walk, finish. Take ferry, go back. We need more ferries. We go from Festac. If you take ferry, go VI. But not be that alone. There's waiting that they call badge. Badge na one kind ship when not just the carry motor. So we go introduce badge also from Ikorodu, from Festac. Badge be say, me, I still want to use my car for VI. I no want park my car. So your car go enter badge. Some badge will carry like 20 cars. Some will carry more. So they go take you with your motor, with you inside your motor, carry you go VI. Drop you for that terminal there. Come out your motor, they go. So it means say the number of cars where they road don't reduce.
Yeah.
The number of people where enter ferry, they also don't park their car. The number don't reduce. Now, another thing where Lagos government supposed don't do, Tete, now I won't talk now. We get canals, plenty for this Lagos. You remember the bomb blast where happened some years ago? You know, so some people die inside canal. They don't know say water they there. Then they run because bush don't cover the canal. Then they run, enter go canal, die. We will dredge all the canals where they this Lagos. I can tell you, say, you feel move from one part of Lagos to another using canoe in those canals. If you go to Italy, Venice in Italy is a clear case example. They move around like that. And it's safe.
The same canal, we go look say, oh, canal.
Yes.
No.
Once we dredge them, clean them, people go move from one place to another without any stress. And they all over Lagos. If you look at the map of Lagos, you go see where those canals are. You go see, say, it go round if they dredge them well. In fact, some people don't build on top canal. Now, what part of the problem we will get for Lagos with that? Look at that Okeafa we are talking about now. Over 200 people, they run. They don't know say canal they there.
Yeah, of course. We a lot of.
And there are plenty places like that where we go. If they inside the map, not be say anything where we go bring down from heaven. All we just need to do is to sit down with the map and dredge those canals. And if you dredge them, canoe, they don't build canoe now where they fancy for self. Where nobody say you go just use paddle. They are canoe with machine. You go just they use that go reduce people where they on top of road.
If we dey talk of road, I dey very sure say get some people for Lagos where we say if they not hear this question, it go pepper them. Our brothers and sisters only live for Apapa. Their own case just be like say whether road dey o, whether road no dey o, they don't abandon them. You dey think of their
I
condition.
I feel for people who go Apapa. Especially say now this time campaign where we dey move around. I don't enter Apapa traffic. I won't die.
Hey.
So waiting happen.
Hey.
And we get government for this state. I listened to Ambode in 2015 when in the debate with Mr. Jimmy Agbaje. Ambode talk say, now because PDP dey federal, now in the frustrate state governments, make them not allow them do the Apapa gridlock. Waiting happen now. APC don't dey federal now. The Apapa gridlock don't worse. It don't times two self. I hear Mr. Sanwo-Olu also talk say in 60 days he go solve Apapa problem. Make we no deceive ourselves. Apapa problem no be small problem. No government fee solve them in 1 year. But now commitment to solving it that is critical.
Exactly.
Now commitment to say this thing no, we go solve them. So what thing we go do? We say the first thing is to have meeting with the critical stakeholders. We know the people where they use there. We know the trailers, the companies where they take trailer go there. Have meetings with them. Because it not pay themselves as they stay there for queue for 3 days. Some for 1 week. We go have meetings with them. Say, as this thing do, how we go solve them. We get some of our plans where we get for head. But you know, say, if you get some plans for head, where if you don't talk to the people who are concerned, you no go know how the plan go work. So the first thing is to bring those people to table, say, okay, we get commitment, say, waiting, anything we go take, we want to solve this problem. And one of the major things is, number one, we go build garages for those trailers. Say, make you know they park for road anymore. Make they have place where they go they park. You know, and as we dey committed to the plans with the stakeholders, that problem goes solve. But I believe, say, in 1 year, 1.5 years, if we enter government, the papa problem will be thing of the past.
Okay,
you don't talk. Okay.
Make I at least make we also look into other areas. I mentioned about education earlier, and of course how declining the educational sector don't they. And Lagos, considering the same population and the fact that Lagos, of course, they part of Nigeria where they also affect, where they also feel this effect. You waiting with those outlined projects we also get for educational sector. We go also fit at least give other states that thought. So okay, if Lagos is doing well for educational sector, okay, make we follow the same emblem, follow the same. You get what are your plans for the educational sector, both from the primary to the secondary level up to the university?
Again, make I talk and say, I know this no be program where I want they talk about the thing where they bad for our state. Plenty they bad for that educational sector. But we don't look them and we don't talk say education no be small matter. The reason why we get agberos, tout, people where they commit crime, now because they don't get proper education. And because the state government self know they encourage, make they get proper education. So the basic thing for us is, number one, we have 1,001 primary school where they this Lagos. 1,001. More than half of this 1,001 no get chair. They no get board. So the first thing is to ensure, say, we fix those schools. How we go on fix those schools? Lagos State do something where I like. You know, I talk and say, our party no be party where we say, if you see something where we go.
Yes.
The Security State Fund, Lagos State Security State Fund, that's something good where Fashola introduced. And since Fashola introduced them, you don't see that somehow the rate of crime reduced more for Lagos because of that trust fund. We go introduce a similar fund where we go call Lagos State Educational Fund. Now, that fund will be managed by the private sector. Where we say we go meet all these big companies. Come and do your CSR. You know waiting in the call CSR. The
based on say
customer where you won't give out.
You do like social responsibility.
That social responsibility. You want, thank you, sir. We go encourage them. Make them do their social responsibility inside education. Because now them go manage them. Sometimes people don't trust government. Say if you give government money now, we don't know where the money go. Yeah. But we go say, hey, now we do cover for this, supervise this money, but now you go to spend them. So when we establish that educational trust fund, the major thing, two things where the educational trust fund go do, be say to improve the infrastructure. Today, if you look at all the Mark Zuckerberg of this world, many of them, now their primary school education carry them where they reach. So if primary school education no dey solid, it go affect secondary, then it go affect tertiary. So our primary focus go be the primary schools from this educational trust fund where we say we want improve the infrastructure. Number one. Number two is the teacher where they teach them. Do you know say for Lagos, we no get teacher training institute. I know say that they send teachers for one week training, but that one no be waiting we need. We need a special institute where we say year in, year out, a set of teachers go there, go do training. For example, the thing as I take education for pilot, I know I get friend will be pilot. Every six months as a pilot, you must go do training again. Why did they do training? Because they feel say, this person they carry plenty people for here, you must they sound all the time. Now, what we supposed to do for education be that? See, these people where they teach our children, they fit teach our children to become the next Mark Zuckerberg. Or they fit teach them to become the next armed robber.
Even the next president.
Yes. So we must value the teachers. So to value somebody, give them knowledge. We say the thing where you know last year, things don't change you. Something else to know.
Go and learn more.
Go and learn more. So we will establish the Teachers Training Institute. In establishing the Teachers Training Institute and valuing the teachers also, we will ensure that the payment of our teachers is quite different from the entire civil service. Because teacher, now he make you today. There's some teacher will be say, if you remember them, you go to thank God, say, this teacher. Today, who won't teach?
Some people
All the
say,
teachers.
if they tell their papa, say, I want to be a teacher, the parents say, God forbid.
God forbid.
I reject it for
Ask the students, say, wait till you won't be tomorrow. Say, nobody go talk, say, won't be teacher.
Hey.
And the people where they teach, they go prefer teach for private school. We won't be say, make our teacher start by side with private school teachers. So we will create a special salary scale for our teachers to encourage them. Because when they are encouraged, they go to the classroom, teach well, prepare these students for what they go be for future. So that's our plan for primary school, of course, also for secondary school.
Okay.
We go also ensure, say, vocational training.
You don't go vex. So we get Wale. Wale, they call us all the way from Ikorodu. Before they vex, say, we don't lock phone line too much. Wale, welcome to Aside Hot.
Good evening.
Wale, I beg, your TV there on. If you bring the volume down.
All right. I'll do that.
Okay, we hear you talk to us.
Is that okay?
Yeah, continue. Ask your
Good
question.
evening to you all.
Good evening.
Well done. You are doing a very good job. God bless you all. And your guests there too.
Thank you.
I appreciate your comment.
Thank
God
you, sir.
bless you all.
Thank you.
God will reward your effort.
Amen.
Your effort of Nigeria. God will reward you
Amen.
that give us this program. And your host, please. I mean your guest, sorry. Please. As you are telling us, talking to us now, we really appreciate that. And as for me personally, I appreciate those of you that are coming with new idea, fresh idea, to move us forward, to move us upward. God will give you the grace to be there and
Amen.
to take us to that land of El Dorado. In the name of Jesus.
Okay, Wale, thank you very much for this your special prayer and the El Dorado way you want to make our Ogbonge visitor carry us go. We get another person from Ikorodu. After this one now, we will allow you just talk to Lagos people before we end the show. Welcome to Aside Hot. Stella, you there?
Yes, good evening.
Good evening, Stella.
Yeah, this is Stella from Ikorodu.
You're welcome. We are talk, we dey hear you.
But the man really try you. If they go do all of those things, me, I support them.
Okay.
Thank you, my sister. We go do it by God's grace.
Amen.
Stella, thank you very much for this your contribution. Time don't go, I beg our people na no vex. Our Ogbonge visitor go just we go like make you look Lagos people for eye now and tell them say this stage when we say the thing don't reach now. ANN and me when don't tell una my plans na me be the person when we say when you reach election make una carry me for mind. You all look the camera, tell them your mind.
They are Lagosians. Another time don't reach for us, make we vote. One wise man don't talk, say, you know, fit they do the same thing, the same way, and expect another result. We don't they do the same thing the same way for 20 years now, since 1999, where this democracy starts. Waiting we don't get. We get money, say we get good road, say we get good hospital, our school they okay. The answer now no. So make we try another thing. Now the reason why somebody like me, where be say people go look, say, why you join politics? I say we no feel continue like this. Now that thing push me, say, go join them. Make you know just the day out, they complain. Go participate in this thing. Go join them, do them. Because we get ideas, we know what thing we supposed to do. Not be only ideas, we get the fear of God. We go say, when we get there, waiting we don't talk now, we go do harm. My dear Lagosians, I dey look for your support. With your support, we go get there. March 2nd, when you dey put that thing in ballot, now lion be our logo. ANN, look for lion, put them there. Forget say, some people say, yeah, we no get structure, we no get money. Forget it.
Oga Francis Adebayo.
Let's
you
do
very,
what
very
is
much.
right.
Yes, thank you very much for
Thank
this
you.
talk. Now you get this handshake.
Thank you.
Francis, thank
We
you
wish
very
you
much.
all the best.
Thank you.
To enjoy more of these our Ogbonge videos when you just watch, press this button to subscribe on top of our YouTube page. You go love am.